Greatermans, a leading high-end department store, closes its doors at the end of the month after more than 40 years in business. It survived a civil war, hyperinflation, but not the current operating environment. Retail businesses, especially those offering non-essential products, are reporting a slump in demand.
Over the last year, it was quite busy. It was good. And the past 6 months, I'd say it's been slow, yes. Rather slow. Last year, the sales were much higher as in comparison to the past 6 months.
The economic challenges are forcing businesses to be creative. Some real estate companies are offering rent holidays of up to 6 months, while retailers slash prices to remain in business.
In the beginning, like with this business, it used to be like $1 for 15 minutes. Now it's $1 for 30 minutes. The less people come, the more you end up charging $1 per hour, 2 hours. It's a price that we're putting that I cannot say we're trying to compete, but it's a price we're putting to survive.
Official data shows that prices are sliding. They declined to 0.19% in May from 0.26% in April. Deflation is caused when there's a general decline in prices, often caused by a reduction in the supply of money or credit, or by a decrease in government personal or investment spending. It also has the side effect of increased unemployment, since there's a lower level of demand in the economy. Factories are operating at 33% of capacity, and according to trade unions, 9,500 people were retrenched last year. Local economist John Robertson blames black economic empowerment as well as labour laws and a lack of respect for property rights for the slump. Delays in paying civil servants, who make up a third of the formal workforce, are also a contributing factor. There have been delays in paying their salaries since January.
And when they finally go shopping at the end of the month, they don't always make up for what they didn't buy, so there's less spending. I do think it is a bad patch. I do think we can get out of it fairly quickly. It will take time. But before we can start the track out of it, we've got to change the policies, because the policies we've got are actually carrying us further downhill.
The World Bank has predicted that the economy will have a negative growth rate of 0.6% in 2016. Output is also expected to slow to 1% next year, as more companies find it cheaper to import goods. The government has announced plans to change the black empowerment policy, but not the act itself. In the meantime, businesses continue to operate, with one eye nervously on the future. Shinganyoka, SABC News, Harare, Zimbabwe.